Hi, this is Hunter from Black Valve Media, and today we are looking at some Xbox 360s that we've been acquiring from Facebook Marketplace, Shop Goodwill, eBay. We've kind of been on the prowl for stuff. Evan's been all about the 360 used market, and what we came across was something that neither of us had seen before, and which was kind of interesting and wanted to show you. Was with the Kinect. It's actually its own connector, and just from never owning one or knowing, I thought it was just a regular old USB. So on the Xbox 360S, the slim version, there is that special port for the Kinect, and the power for this unit actually comes right through the 360S. Now, if you had a Kinect and wanted to pair it with a 360, the older model, it actually came with this adapter, and we got this with our Kinect, and we're kind of like, what the heck is this thing? So basically all it is this connector goes into here, and there's power for whatever conversion or powering of this unit that's going on that's not available through standard USB 2.0, and that goes right into your regular Xbox 360. Now, this is totally not needed for the S, as there is that special plug that it plugs right into. So that's basically it. We just wanted to show you a little bit of this wacky doohickey here. And if you have any questions, put them in the comments below. And if anyone knows what the actual standard for this is, let us know. I want to know. It's USB something, probably, maybe. Thanks a lot.